Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a great day so far. Before the video started, I kind of wanted to tap in and talk to you guys real quick. Not too long, won't take up too much of your time. First of all, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and just check out my channel. You know, I want to thank you for stopping by, but just check out the rest of the channel. We got some good things coming up. We got some good things that have already happened, so just check them out. Anyway, this video is going to be about my daughter's birthday party that we had at the hotel. And the reason why I'm coming in is because I made some clips that got lost or ruined or damaged or whatever. My camera, yeah, it's at its end of the road. So this is all being done on my phone since my camera is having a hissy fit. Basically, in the beginning clips, I just kind of explained why we didn't post a video last week, which if you follow me on Instagram, I had promised to put that in the video this week. And so yeah, my husband came in close contact with someone who tested positive for COVID. So we had to postpone my daughter's birthday party because we wanted to be safe. So we quarantined as a family last week instead of doing the birthday party. And basically that's what it was. The person ended up being positive for COVID, but my husband was negative, 100% negative, thank God. And also, I'm vaccinated. Of course, you guys know that if you follow me, but we learned that vaccinated people can still spread and pass COVID on to unvaccinated people. And again, so we just wanted to be safe. We don't know everything about COVID right now. There's a lot going on, so we just trying to do our part. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Also, I did a tour of the hotel we stayed at, but that clip somehow got lost or mixed up. I don't know. My camera was just doing what it wanted to do. But anyway, this video is filled with so much fun. We did prank calls, we went swimming, we had some good food, some swag bags. I mean, we did it all. Make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if you do watch it to the end, tell me what your favorite thing about the video was. I know my comments are sometimes back on. That's all YouTube. If you can't leave a comment there, go to my Instagram. The link to my Instagram will be in the description box, along with a lot of other fun things. And yeah, check it out. See you in the next. We up here trying to get some stuff for the swag bags. Let's see what they got. Oh, she's gonna want more like kind of girly stuff in these swag bags, ain't she? So let's go down this aisle. Reagan is gonna be assisting me in this process. I hope y'all can hear me well because I got this mask on. It's kind of restricting, but whatever. Okay, here's some stuff, some hair stuff. Y'all don't do scrunchies no more, do ya? That's a thing of the past. But a lot of makeup and nail polishes. See, she was just talking crazy about me trying nail polishes on in the store. Now she doing it. Look, should we put these in the swag bags, Reagan? Okay, guys, we are back at the house.
And no, I'm not doing practice here because he was doing the most last year.
I'm recording.
Right,
Anyway.
like I said.
Anyway, we back at the house. We just left from Walmart. I need to take some medicine because I have a huge headache.
Because somebody saw that.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Can you go? Or you on the phone? Can you go?
Bye.
Kids are so rude. You wasn't even on no call. I swear I can't stand this girl. I swear to God. She really acting like she having a conversation. That's when you know you fronting and capping that you important.
Ooh.
Anyway, We back at the house. It is extremely hot outside. I need to take some medicine. I got a migraine. What are you doing? Don't open that up.
No, you can. Please, can I just try one bag?
No, let's not. Let's not. Because then they going to want to try one bag, and then we got to carry
How
all
are they
that.
gonna know?
They will know. Anyway, so yeah, we got some stuff for the birthday. Somebody about to be missing. You want to help me put together these swag bags, little girl? Got some candy. Yeah, we got so much candy and sweets, it don't even make no sense. Let's put these bags together. Okay, so this is the stuff that's going to go in the swag bag. The girls are going to get face masks. They got these hot cold iPads. Like not actual iPads. Then they got these little compact mirrors. We got lip gloss and stuff, or lip balm. We got journals, cute little pens. Did we get enough pens? Yeah, we got pens, candy. We got polish. We got sanitizer, cute little sanitizers, bath bombs, and then everything is gonna go in these little bags. I got all of this stuff for the swag bags from the Dollar Tree. Everything. We got the swag bags. Well, I got them completed because Reagan decided she didn't want to help.
Well, it was hard work. She made me do all that stuff.
Anyway, the swag bags are done. Trying to give y'all a sneak peek. That's Desiree. Y'all already seen Randy. There's Reagan.
The king.
And there's Rihanna and Jayana. Hi, girls. And Rihanna's the birthday girl, little gremlin. How do it feel to be 11 now?
It feels dumb. I've been 11.
You've been 11? Well, so everybody's just kind of settling in. And, of course, again, this is the snack table. Anyway, so yeah, we just waiting. We ordered some pizza. That should be here in a minute. Sorry, boo. And, yeah. Oh, I like this. I always wanted something like this in my bathroom. Like to have that right there, extra. And then tissue right there. I think that's so cute. We can make some cute little TikTok videos in here. Don't forget, we gotta do a little TikTok or a reel or whatever we gotta do.
Go get the password, bro.
Boy, shoulda. Okay, so now Rihanna's gonna open her gift that Jayana brought her. Open it. What?
Flashed straight into my eye.
Okay. Where's Jade? So all the girls are in the pool. How you feeling? You having fun? Get Randy over there. Rihanna, you were floating on your back.
What?
I saw you floating on your back.
You can see underwater, but it don't have like chlorine.
Oh, really? The chlorine isn't that bad? Jade, you having fun? Oh, and then your cousin splashy. Oh, they're racing in the water now. They're having a race. Good job, Jade. 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 Okay, so we just got back from the swimming pool. We had fun. Yeah, a lot of fun. And now we're back in the room. We're gonna open up our little swag. Well, they gonna open up their little swag bags, and then we're gonna do some TikToks, and we're gonna put some bracelets and make some jewelry up in here. Yeah, we just gonna keep it cute and simple. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
We don't want to share.
Okay, the girls are about to open their little swag bags. Come on, Rihanna, come get yours. You the birthday girl. You go first.
You don't get one.
Get you a bag, Rihanna. And then everybody else come get your bag with your name on it. Ooh. You can't tell the difference between Reagan and Rihanna. Jade, you see yours? Let's see what everybody got. Maybe I got some dresses stuff for you, okay?
I guess we just open it.
Yeah, y'all can just open.
This is girl stuff.
Ooh, Sour Patch Kids.
Ew.
I bet
What
this
is
is
this?
girl stuff. Y'all didn't write no letter for me?
Oh, look, on the back.
No, you gotta write it yourself.
It's like a thing for you to hold your phone on.
Oh, a letter to my kids.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rihanna. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Guess not. It's still going.
Okay, lights on.
I can't see.
I'll have to.
I'll hand out the napkin.
Because why not?
Why not? Why?
Don't go too big with it now.
Yeah, don't go out of your mind crazy.
What's about singing, right, y'all? Sonic fingernail scratching on.
Sound like you don't.
Sonic fingernail scratching on chalkboard.
Great. What do you have to talk about?
You're singing and no
Yes,
Oh. Here, I can get your pieces. Brianna, look up. Hold on, Brianna, look up. Oh, no.
What?
Okay, right now we are about to do our prank calls. They're right there now, getting everything set up.
Anyway.
They want to call McDonald's.
Really?
Really? I think they should call other places, but we'll start off with McDonald's.
Like, I don't care. Wendy's is better anyway.
Hello, this is scary, and I ordered some burgers from there, and I didn't receive my burgers. Hello? Did you hear me, Mike? This is scary, and I didn't receive.
Attractive destination for family fun. Bringing families together guides everything we do. And at Great Wolf Lodge you can play, connect, relax, and grow closer than ever before. Also, we're helping keep your family safe while you play.
Come on,
Our
man.
Paw Pledge Health and Safety.
Get to the point.
Your call is important to us. We look forward to assisting you in welcoming your family to the lodge. Thank you for calling Great Wolf Lodge. My name is Joshua. May I have your name, please?
Hey, Joshua, honey. I stayed there last weekend, and I had a cute little bikini that I left. I left it in the bathroom in room 231. Now, I spent a lot of money on that bikini, and I'm wondering if anybody had taken it. I just need my bikini back. That's all I'm worried about. I don't worry about nothing else. I just want my bikini. That's all. Because that was a nice little Gucci bikini. Did anybody turn it in yet? Do you know? Now, I can come on up there and pick it up if somebody turned it in. I'm just right down the street at Walmart. I couldn't stop. I was about to laugh because I know he was laughing. Thank
you for calling Great Wolf Lodge. My name is Arita. How can I help you today?
Hey, Aretha, I was just speaking with Josh and our call got disconnected. I was just trying to see if he found my bikini.
Okay, and have you submitted a lost and found for the bikini, ma'am?
Well, I thought that's what Josh was doing. We were on the phone and all of a sudden it dropped. I don't know what happened. But I told him it was my Gucci bikini and I wanted to get it back.
Okay, for the items you
It's hot pink and it's hot pink, honey, and it got Gucci on the front. You can't miss it.
What you will need to do, ma'am, for
It's hot.
location you visit?
Yes, ma'am. It's hot pink with Gucci on the front. Is that what you wanted to know? What did it look like? It was hot pink with Gucci. And I had some matching earrings that went with it and a cute little, one of those little throw things that they put around their waist.
Okay, ma'am, what you will need to do is submit.
And I wore a cute little black hat with it that had a Gucci sign too. And everybody think I look like Nicki Minaj when I wear it.
I said I want my bikini. Your daughter lost her phone?
You got the wrong number.
Huh?
Okay, so you look good boy. You sound like the woman off Medea. Hello?
This is not funny.
Who is this?
This is Miss Karen. This is the VR company.
Is this Desiree?
Caught?
No, this is 40 pebbles.
Stop laughing.
What do you mean, lady?
Question.
Okay.
I was calling to ask you, why is it called Olive Garden and not Food Garden? Like, you serve food, not olives.
Telling them.
What happened?
Oh,
And they almost got lost in time because they were so dumb. Okay, what happened?
He talking about the time y'all got
Oh my
lost.
gosh, Jade,
Um,
Jade have a story.
Jade and Reagan. Jade and Reagan. Tell the story about when y'all got lost in the mall. Jade.
Oh my gosh, y'all was doing too much.
Okay, tell the story. Tell the story.
It was both of you guys' fault because y'all didn't know where y'all was going.
You gotta tell the story.
Hey, you guys can tell your side.
Okay, let Jade start off.
We had to take Rihanna to the bathroom because she had to go and couldn't hold. I don't know why she didn't go before we left.
She never do.
That's your fault.
And then I was like, and we were
I
like,
have
we need
to
to
go
pee
where
too,
we-
so we might as well go. Because we had Jade,
you
because
guys
I
did before we left.
think it was Jade was spending the night that weekend, and then we had our girls from run thing, so we just went to the mall afterwards because I had like a malling thing there, and we were just hanging out at the mall. So we got out this jewelry store called Icing.
And,
Oh yeah, I
seen
seen
it.
it.
But
and we go ask for. Oh,
I think
you
we
tell
need
us.
ice.
You tell us where the
Yummy.
directions to the bathroom are, and we forgot them because they were confusing.
You said it was like Panera, but we've never been into Panera. I didn't even know Panera was a store back then, or like a restaurant.
And we
I
didn't
know
know
what
where
you
Panera
meant.
was. Because we've never been to, well, I've never been to that mall.
Yeah, me neither. I've never been to Panera in the
Get
mall.
to the
outside.
story.
And
Right. Tell them.
So we were on the way to the bathroom looking for Panera, which we couldn't find, and we thought we would look for signs. So we were looking up, and we couldn't see where we were going.
But the signs where we saw them, it did say restroom. So we were like, oh, well, there's restrooms right there. So we go to the restrooms. We get there. They're operating on the girls' bathroom.
So we had to go and find another bathroom to use, and we didn't know where the other one was, and we couldn't find Panera either. So we head upstairs, and that's when Rihanna starts complaining.
Rihanna's like, I don't want to walk up here to the food court, go all the way to the bathroom. And we're like, we'll go back to the store. I don't know where it is. So Rihanna goes up the opposite direction, and then me and Jade are like, oh, did you just see Rihanna go missing? Because we see her 1 minute going up the escalator. We run back up there to find her.
But
She's completely
escalators.
missing. Like, we don't even know where she is.
Bruh, escalators.
Stop, that's
love
another
escalators, bruh. And weren't we at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were at the top, and we asked the security guard if she had saw Rihanna, and then we asked if there was a bathroom.
Because we still have to pee while we're all doing this. We still have to pee, like, literally, we have to pee our pants. So she lets us in the boys' bathroom, and we pee in the stalls of the boys' bathroom.
And not only did we not know where Rihanna was, but we didn't know where you were either. We couldn't find the store.
We didn't know where the store was. We forgot. So it's not like we could go out to the store and tell you because we didn't know what it was.
There was nothing familiar around, only stores that no one goes to.
Right. No, that is not what happened.
So we were with the security guard, and she took us to all these different stores, and we couldn't find you anywhere. So we were just like, that's weird. We were going to different floors.
Y'all forgot the name of the store that I was at?
Yeah.
Is that what it was?
We were really paying
But
attention.
Rihanna remembered that she came back and was like, Jade and Reagan are lost. Jade and Reagan are lost. So we walked around the whole mall.
Let me tell you what happened. So all that was true. Like, we were trying to find the bathroom. Yeah. So after I wandered off because I didn't want to go up to the food court because they didn't know where they were going.
The food court has bathrooms in the back though. That's
I know,
we
but
were
like
right.
there was Panera was like somewhere around there, and they just weren't listening. The thing is, we didn't know what Mommy said because she said it too fast. And so after I went back,
No, it's my fault.
I couldn't find icing either. But what I did was I asked this dude. He was trying to sell me something. I was like, no, can you help me find icing?
It's about to get you in the kidnapper van.
No, I was like, can you help me find icing? And he was like, okay, I think it's over there. So when I found icing, Mom took me to the restroom, and then I was like, I don't know where Reagan and Jade went, but then I saw them going down the escalator after coming back from the bathroom.
We saw y'all with the security. Reagan looked like she had been crying.
Oh no, I was fine.
Reagan had like drips of tears
Me
in
and
her
Jay were
eyes.
walking with the security guard. She was taking us into different jewelry stores. There were like 5,000 different jewelry stores. We went upstairs, downstairs.
We went to the back, to the front.
And then when we finally met up with them, guess what? My mom was like, oh, you guys don't know where Panera is? So we turn our heads to like the opposite direction, like behind the store. And it's the first store, like behind the store. But when you get out of the building, you automatically turn this way. So we're like, what? Panera was back there the whole time? And the sign was backwards. The sign was backwards. So it's just like...
Well, that wasn't our fault because they installed it wrong. They installed it stupid. So,
She said it's their fault. You gotta make an excuse, huh?
Remember when we went to the store?
wait. This is all your fault because you didn't stick with us and we lost.
Exactly.
I didn't stick with you guys.
Exactly.
No, we kept telling you guys, telling you need to stick together. But
I'm glad I didn't
it
go.
was
You
a
guys
big
said it was
mall.
straws
So
in the
basically,
boys'
they got
restroom.
lost. They got lost.
But you should have stuck
in
with
the
us.
toilet.
Hey guys, what do you think? Do you think she should have stuck with us? That mall was really big and busy that day, and she could have got lost. She just said
No,
she didn't know
let me
what
tell you
store
the
we're
reason
in.
why I shouldn't have stuck
said
with
some
them.
man tried to sell us.
They didn't know
Right.
where they were going. They said there were straws in the boys' restroom when they went in, so luckily I didn't
The
go.
thing is, neither did
Well,
you.
did
You
the
would've
straws?
got
What is
lost.
it?
You almost got kidnapped.
What would the straws have to do with you?
I know,
You got
but
to
and
pee.
also I went back and I was smarter to go ask for the directions again.
Okay, so you almost got
like,
kidnapped.
hey, can you help me?
And then
And then put duct
She
tape
said
in
you
her
almost got kidnapped.
Exactly. And you know,
At least we would have been together.
Last night we got a noise complaint. We were in here. They was actually what was y'all doing at the time of the complaint? We was playing. They was playing like Heads Up or something. I don't know, but they were excited. It was kind of loud, and somebody called the police. No, a Karen called the security guy at the front desk, and he came up to the door and was just like, "Can you guys keep it down?" I thought he had said that he filed a complaint and he was 5 doors down and could hear us. But then when I said, "Oh, you filed a complaint," he tried to clarify it and was like, know somebody else filed a complaint. I'm like, mm-hmm.
Now time to find Reagan.
Yeah, I know they got mail Karens out here, so I don't know. Okay, y'all can get that. There's biscuits and gravy.
Where's the other meat?
They got fruit,
Is that a bagel?
muffins, and bagels. There's cereal.
There's not pancakes.
No, sir. Sorry, there's no pancakes. Every time we go somewhere, you be looking for pancakes. Look, and here they got some yogurt.
I ain't want no yogurt.
Oh, somebody coughing and shit. That was your mouth, man. Sorry, man. Did y'all check what was in here? Eggs. I don't eat these eggs. Randy, you want some cereal? No? Okay. Just leave it open. Leave it open. I got it. Food good. This what I got. Yogurt, biscuit and gravy, which I don't know if I'm gonna eat because the gravy look a little suspicious. And a muffin. Them eggs look suspicious as well. They really light. I don't see no seasoning, no pepper on them. How them biscuits and gravy tasted good. Okay, I ain't about to even try it. I ain't on fleek. I ain't trying to have my stomach on fleek. I'm side-eyeing everybody in here because I'm like, who called that noise complaint on us? They out looking at us funny too. Hey, Jay, I'm side-eyeing everybody in here. You know why? Why? I'm trying to figure out who called that complaint. There's Rihanna and Jayana eating their food. Are them eggs good? They look a little suspicious. Reagan said that biscuit and gravy tastes a little bit funny. Randy, eat your muffin. Look at Randy's face. Anyway, time to eat.